Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to add Windows 10 keyboard language. Click on keyboard language. At the moment I have two languages. Let's go to language preferences and we add one more language. Click on add a language. Choose the language that you want to add. For example, I chose German Luxembourg. I am only downloading this language for my keyboard. So, I uncheck this because I don't want to install for Windows Display Language. At the end, press Install. We have already installed it. Let's check it. First, I type in English keyboard. Now, the same letters I type. I'm pressing Y on keyboard, but in German language it's writing Z. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!